My name's Todd Robbins. I work in the film industry as a stunt performer and camera operator, and I went to AlviArmani to restore my hairline. I first started noticing my hair loss when I was probably in my early 20s, 20, 21 maybe. I used to, like in high school, junior high, I always had my hair long, and then when I was 20, 21, I chopped it all off, and then I started looking in the mirror and I started noticing, like, was my hairline, did it always recede like that? Has it always been like that? And I just kind of started freaking out a little bit, not like panic attacks. It was like, this is weird, and all I could do was just obsess. And whenever I look in the mirror, I'd just be staring at the recession and the hair loss and wondering if that was normal, if it's always been like that or if I'm starting to lose my hair. So even though no one was really telling me that I was losing my hair, like to me every day I would look in the mirror and I wasn't really happy with what I saw. I was getting more and more self-conscious. And then working in this film industry, I double younger teenagers, sometimes children, and I figured the more I lose my hair, potentially I might start losing work as well. So I just wanted to restore my hairline to just keep that confidence when I show up on set. So I was doing my research on different hair transplant clinics. I went and did a couple consults with a couple different hair transplant clinics, and all the results, I mean, they worked and they looked okay, but AlviArmani was the only one that like really impressed me. I came into the clinic and had a in-person consultation. We went over what my goals were. They helped me kind of draw or plan out my procedure and my hairline. If I didn't like the design at first, they would kind of adjust it based on how I felt, and the hairline I wanted was like, this is what you should do. It's more like, what do you want to do, and we'll make it happen. Surgery day, man, I was so nervous. I didn't sleep very well, which probably helped because during the procedure I just slept. But when I got there, the clinic was really nice. Everyone was really friendly. Got in, we went over again what our plans were. We redrew the hairline and just confirmed if this is what I wanted, and they gave me realistic expectations of what I could and couldn't do or what they could achieve, and I was happy with that. So we decided to proceed and go for it. So the recovery was like any major surgery. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting, but there was a little bit of discomfort at first. But overall, the discomfort was relatively minimal, and they give you, medication if you need it for the pain. So overall, I would say the recovery was not nearly as bad as I was expecting. No one really noticed that I had anything done. I kind of just kept to my family and myself for the first few weeks. Everyone just thought I shaved my head for the most part. If anything, it looked really good. I still had the hairs that were transplanted before they started to shed, so everyone was like, oh, you look great. After probably 4 to 5 months, the hair felt thick. It was starting to grow back again. And after 6 or 7 months, I was actually really, really happy with the results. And I still had 6 to 12 more months of growth, but I felt like it was coming in a lot quicker than they were even telling me during the consultation. So probably 6 months, I was already really happy with the results I was getting. Most of my friends and people who didn't notice I had any hair just thought I, just looked healthy and looked good. But everyone who knew that I had the transplant and had the procedure done were really impressed with how natural it looked. Because most people have that misconception of plugs and bad hair transplants. They don't realize how natural and how good the procedures and the technology is now. I go into auditions or I'll be on camera, I'm a lot more confident. I'm not worried that I might potentially not get a job because I might have hair loss or my hair might not fit the person that I'm going to be doubling. And I would just say overall my confidence is better than ever, and in what I do for work, it really helps, and I don't regret doing the procedure. It is the best decision ever made.